So I have a tree that broke in the windstorm. It's right over our path, kind of close to the chicken coop, but it's got a tree blocking it. It won't fall on the chicken coop. It's hung up there. Just snapped it right off. More firewood, because it's not good for any saw log. It's way too small. Yeah, we've got really bad windstorm tonight. Been all day. We were without power for about 4 hours today. Yeah, it's crazy. I know what I'll be doing tomorrow. I'll have to get that thing on the ground somehow so it doesn't fall on somebody. Yeah. You can see all the branches in the trail. Just everywhere. Broken branches everywhere. Oh well. You can hear the wind. And you can hear the trees snapping. Well, it's a windy night tonight. Thank you for watching this little bit from Not So Remote Alaska. May God bless and keep each and every one of you. And with that, I'm out.